Hello everyone, Hatem for Objection, back again with the news as we always never promised, as well as promised sure. Today guys, we brought for you the lover for a lot of people. A lot of you love this device. This is the iPad Pro M1 2021, 2TB 16GB RAM. Space gray, and that's it. You know guys, the reason why I opened this nylon on post to make sure that there's still iPad inside. Because actually in Ukraine here, they can put for you a piece of wood and they will give it to you, and if you're out from post, lick your back. Which is mean you will not get anything. And this has happened many times here. So guys, let's unbox this bad boy and see how it looks like. And also I'm gonna do for you a video another time about the comparison between him and 2020 and the old iPad 2018. Does any difference between them, or you should save your money and buy the old one? So let's go. Let's go where? Let's go where? You still not subscribed? Subscribe right now! So guys, as you see, this is the package for iPad Pro. Okay, and here they write 2TB, iPad Pro, 12.9 inch, 5th generation Wi-Fi. I didn't buy the LTE because it's useless since it doesn't have call or anything like this. I'm not gonna do this stupidness anymore. Wait. USB charger, cable, and USB and power adapter. Holy bullshit, guys, come on. Guys, the backboot adapter again. Isn't it they said that they saved the preservation of the environment? So why they backboot it again? Why they remove it in iPhone 12? Bullshit. I'm gonna tell you why later. The box is not more luxury than the 2018 iPad Pro. It's the same. Ooh la la. This is the bad boy. Keep it beside here 1 second. We have here the catalogs and blah blah blah. Okay, this is all inside here. The symbol and here the catalog to iPad. Oh, we have charger, 20 watt. Not that much, you know. Show me I want to see the old charger. This is the old charger, guys, for the iPad Pro. This is 2018, you know. See guys, I guess it's the same like the old charger, you know, for the iPad 2018. I guess this is also 20 watt. It's the same. They did nothing changed. Why didn't make it 30 watt or 40? They not give anything for free, this company, honestly. And here we have the cable, Type C. Also like that. I mean, no any equipment, nothing new they give. You know guys, this iPad is priced for nice gaming laptop, to be honest with you. I just bought it for my Call of Duty mobile channel, you know, because I play Call of Duty on iPad, you know. Oh la la, oh my team, oh la la, I adore to do this, you know. Oh, I put my fingerprint on him, sorry. Okay guys, as you see, I mean, honestly guys, I not see the difference. There is no any difference between him and iPad Pro 2018. Just the cameras. I do not use this camera ever, guys. And who use camera for iPad, to be honest with you? You know guys, better than they improve the performance for the camera, better they improve the performance for the cooling system inside this iPad. That when he got hot, the screen brightness goes down. This is kind of shame, you know. He's opening, guys, he's opening. I'm exciting. No, I'm not exciting or anything like that. Okay guys, I'm gonna do the setting. Guys, watch this fuck. He asked me to update the iOS by force. I didn't ask him to update. No, you have to. This is the installation in the beginning, you know, the setup for this fucking iPad. You know, now 1 hour and a half I'm waiting and still not update the iOS 15. Why don't you let me first I set up the device, open it, and later ask me for iOS update? No, he force you. Because the new iOS is tracking everything you do. This is the point here, why he insists on you. You cannot do anything until you update it. You got me? Because they're tracking everyone now through this new iOS, like Android, everything. I mean, guys, what is this shit? 1 hour and a half now I'm waiting. Crap. And they say that this is Bionic 15. Yeah, really, I see fucking Bionic 15. Now for 1 hour and a half he's updating. Guys, 1 hour and a half already now waiting for fucking new iOS 15.1. This is, yeah, really speedily, and Bionic 15 and all this bullshit that they say, you know.
2,000 years later.
DJ Hatem for Objection. Guys, help me from this piece of shit. To be honest with you guys, I'm sorry, I have to end this video. I was really want to show you the screen and the interface for this trash. But guys, I swear, don't expect much. It's the same resolution, same everything as the old iPad 2020, as even the iPad Pro 2018. It's no different. Only that this piece of shit is 16 gig RAM. I see really 16 gig RAM and I see Bionic 15. Guys, do you know that now 1 hour and 45 minutes, almost 2 hours, he's updating software. I don't know, should I restart him again, but I'm scared that I will screw the iOS that is installing, because they say when installing the new iOS, then don't touch it. But guys, really now it's 1 o'clock, it's time for my bed. I can't wait for this piece of shit anymore. Really, guys, amazing iPad Pro M1, you know. 16 gig RAM, 2 terabyte. He's still brand new and he cannot install the iOS. You know guys, my conclusion, really I swear to God guys, you know my conclusion for this trash and like this, we used from Apple this bullshit, you know, lagging. From now he start lag and do, so how about later when I will fill him files and games and videos and stuff like that. My conclusion guys, if you have the old iPad, don't jump to the new iPad. I mean, if it was 4K screen or something like this, I mean, I tell you, you have to. I did this because I need 2 terabytes. I'm a YouTuber, you got me? I have a lot of videos, I have a lot of videos, I have a lot of things. I'm a YouTuber. Don't compare yourself with me. If you are a YouTuber or blogger or something like this, you may need 2 terabytes. If you want it for study or for games or for music or for some softwares, applications or stuff like that, I swear to God, trust me, you don't have to buy this latest one. Guys, it's $2,000. Can you imagine this? I can buy car, I can BMW, I swear to God. Or I can buy gaming laptop, you know. I already have gaming laptop, but I can buy another gaming laptop, you know, I can collect. If you have the old iPad Pro 2018 or 2020, you don't need really to update for this one, unless if you have money, you don't know where to throw it, okay? Yeah, if you have money and you don't know where to throw it, go buy it. But if your economic situation is middle range, you don't really have to sell this one with cheap price and go around buy this and add at least $1,200 minimum or $1,300 for what? For software update he cannot do it for now 2 hours. You got me? I'm sorry guys, it's not my fault. As you see, this piece of shit he cannot update. Anyway guys, we'll see you again in another video with Hatem for Objection. Peace and love and money for all of you.